A substantial increase in the production of various food crops has had a significant impact thanks to steadfast support for enhancing food security, job creation and reducing poverty. This commendable effort has materialized through the establishment of an Agribusiness Incubation Center at the Federal University Lokoja, Kogi State, approved by the Federal Ministry of Agriculture. The primary goal of this effort is to expedite investments in the agricultural sector, ensuring sustainability and endurance of agrarian-based enterprises.
And this school is populated by youth, so we feel that it's good at this stage to introduce them into agribusiness so that they know there's value in agriculture, that after the primary product there's always value addition to enhance the prices of your production and also engage more hands.
This is the longest road in this university and you have given it to us with this structure. And I want to say that Federal University of Lokoja is very grateful to you.
This concerted effort seeks to increase domestic food production, ultimately paving the way for expanded export. This pioneering center will expand its services by offering comprehensive training, access to financial resources, marketing and distribution support. The aim is to establish partnerships with other businesses and organizations in the agricultural sector, all focused on enhancing the quality of life for dedicated farmers. In Lokoja, Ajibola Christopher, NTA News.